The killing claw of a velociraptor. The talons of birds of prey. Top of the food chain. The ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters and masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
Thank you. Hello and a very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So how's everyone doing today? Feeling good? Yes, good. So nice to see all of you out here. My name is Chandra and I am a Raptor Ranger. My buddy Shawl and I are passionate about understanding and protecting birds of prey.
And as Raptor Rangers, we conduct rescue and release efforts. Also help to take care of the birds here. And today, we are going to introduce you to some of our favorite predators on wings.
So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if you're all set, let's welcome Susie, our American Bulldog. They are such a beauty. Now Susie's a female, and the females are much heavier and larger than the males. And of course, she is no exception. I'm just going to make a flight down. Here she goes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Susie has been with us for almost 25 years. That's right, she's a veteran of the show. Her strong, weak, and powerful talents make her an unmatched huntress.
That's right. And Susie here weighs 4.7 kilograms. And yet, at high speed, she can lift the prey that can weigh up to 4 kilograms, which is almost her entire body weight.
That's pretty impressive. You know what? This is another interesting fact about the bald eagles. These birds build really huge nests. And if you're wondering how big could the bald eagle's nest get, well, it can be up to 10 feet wide. And if you're wondering how wide is 10 feet, let's take this thumb as a marker. Well, that should be about 10 feet wide, alright? Not only that, it can be up to 20 feet tall, which is almost 3 times my height. Pretty impressive, huh?
Yes, it is, Chandra. And you know what? Susie has done well. It is time for her to get back home. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for America's Bald Eagle.
Sure, you heard that call.